Hello, this is Bruce Chamoff, the web design coach, coming to you from noisy New York City. And out there are a lot of people honking their horns, backing up with that annoying reverse signal, and also a couple of people riding their motorcycles. But hey, that's noisy New York City. I am reaching out to all the people who are doing well on YouTube because I need the help getting subscribers, and I need some help getting watch time and page views. I am one of the people who suffered the demonetization on February 20th for not having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Very frustrating. And I watched a lot of the videos before February 20th. I watched all these people, and tons of people were showing you how not to get demonetized and how to get more subscribers and get more watch time and page views. I did all of that. Still not working for me. I would love to help. I have a list over here, and it's on Google Docs. I can probably share it with you guys, of what I picked up from watching all of these great people on how to improve subscribers and how to get out there in the suggested videos and the YouTube algorithm. It is not working for me. What am I doing wrong? Here are some of the things that I am doing. So the first thing, and I got this from Sonny Lenarduzzi, is the file name should be similar to the title of the video. That's easy. So all of your MP4s or your MOVs or whatever you're uploading to YouTube, make the title as similar as possible to the video title. Fine. That's supposed to help with, I think, the algorithm, the suggested videos. I'm doing that. And I hope that I'm helping some other people that are suffering the same issues as I am on YouTube. So definitely watch this. Now, flashy thumbnails. I am taking green screen videos. I'm doing this, whoa, and making some really big text going across the page to get people's attention. The problem is everybody else is doing that too. That seems to be one of the easy things to do with Adobe Photoshop, is making those cool thumbnails that get people's attention. The problem is now you look like a needle in a haystack because everybody's doing it. But I'm doing it anyway. So I'm having a different color background, whatever. Ask people to subscribe. That's number 3. I'm telling people to subscribe in the beginning of my videos. I just did one on React.js and how to make a lot of money in web design. That's what I do. But I tell people to subscribe in the beginning. At the end, I put some of the cards up there, the end cards. I add, which I'll get to in a little while, I add my videos to playlists. I'm asking people to subscribe. Sometimes I put it in as I'm editing it, the video, or sometimes I just put it right into the video through the YouTube tools. Okay, number 4, add videos to the playlist. I do that. I have a couple of playlists, 3 big ones. I put all my videos in. I'm sure this one's going to be in the playlist that you can watch my other videos. And that's what you need to do. So if somebody's watching your video and it's part of a playlist, then they'll watch the other videos as well. Fine, I'm doing that. What am I doing wrong there? Okay. Number 5, the SEO. SEO, video, tag, SEO. Tag your videos. YouTube gives you 500 characters. I'm trying to max those out or come within 10 characters of the limit. So between 490 and 500. I'm trying to max out all of the tags, and they match my description. They match what I'm saying in the video. Like now, I'm doing all that. And I'm getting absolutely nowhere with this. vidIQ tells me that my particular SEO is anywhere from 35 to 60%. Some of my videos are a little high, but I can't seem to get past the average of a 60% for some reason. So that's bothering me. Number 6, research the keywords on the Google Keyword Planner. I'm doing that also. I'm also researching keywords of other video creators who have similar videos. That's like the keyword planning. You go to the Google Keyword Planning tool and put in your keyword. It shows you the popular keywords. I'm doing that too. What am I doing wrong? Okay. And by the way, just leave a comment. If you think I'm doing something wrong, you notice it, you can just comment right away in the video. Okay. And by the way, that's probably number 11 because I didn't list that. Ask people to comment. YouTube and hit the thumbs up. People like the thumb up in the comments. and YouTube algorithm just skyrockets you that way as well. Okay. So I jumped down from 6 to 11 because 11 was just thrown in. 7, find popular topics on Google Trends. I've done that also. So go to Google and Google for Google Trends itself. And then look at what is trending and make a video about it. But I'm saying that the video on, if you make something from Google Trends, it still should be relevant to the topic of your channel. I mean, if your channel is about making bread, you're not going to have some kind of video about President Trump, unless President Trump is making bread and he's your guest star, which I doubt very highly. Okay, so number 8, subscribe in the watermark. Sorry, you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, I have my watermark. I'm saying subscribe. I got that from vidIQ, I believe. Sorry, I don't know why I'm coughing. I got that from vidIQ. So, I don't know what's going on. I made it transparent. It says subscribe. Look in the bottom right of my videos. And have, number 9, for the tags, going back to tags, have a common tag. So one tag that links all your videos together, whether it's in the playlist list or not, because then they'll show up in the suggested videos. So videos with similar tags, as I understand it, show up in the suggested videos. So my common tag is I have the web design business success strategies. Business success series. I have HWI, because my company is hotwebideas.net. HWI, WD for web design, BSS for business success series. And I put that in all my videos, so my video starts showing up in the sidebar, the suggested videos on the right. I don't know. I don't see my videos there a lot. What am I doing wrong? Tell me in the comments. All right. And number 10, the last one, using the suggestion of vidIQ, definitely get that SEO score up as high as possible. I was talking about mine doesn't go up past 60, which is kind of annoying. So, listen, I'm doing all that. All right, what am I doing wrong? Why am I still not getting subscribers? Why am I still not getting page views? What the heck is going on? One day, I would like to have my monetization turned back on through YouTube, and it just looks hopeless at this point. It really does. I'm selling videos on udemy.com. I'm selling videos. I'm making money on Roku, the streaming TV platform. I'm making money on Udemy and Vimeo. But I want to do some monetization on YouTube as well. All right? It's just a pain, and I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. So I'm reaching out to you guys for help. And I hope that for you guys to comment, all right, it's going to help other people that are having the same exact problems as me. All right? The same exact challenges on this. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, please. Hit the thumbs up. Add your comments for any suggestions that you see me doing wrong in my videos. I'm here. I'm listening. I'm all ears. Okay. Thank you very much to everybody who's been sharing that knowledge and helping us all get subscribers and, getting better views and watch time. I mean, you guys are great. I don't have to mention names. The famous people are the famous people with millions of subscribers and viewers. I don't know what the heck's going on with me and so I'm reaching out for help, and I hope this helps hundreds and thousands of other people that will be watching this same video. So thank you all, and help me out, please.